amiga, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a fashion video. I am here to bring you a fashion guide for the holidays, and this video is also in partnership with Naked. Yes, Naked. So thank you, Naked, so much for sponsoring this part of the video. I am super grateful to be partnering with you because this is one of my dream brands. So this is a dream come true. I am super grateful and I want to thank you so much for believing in me and trusting me to do this. So thank you so much. My love goes out to you. And this is also a sign to just believe in your dreams, guys. Whatever it is that you want to do, go for your dreams. You can do this. Like, who would have ever thought that I would be working with Naked? Okay, I'm starting to sound like a little fangirl, but I'm just super grateful and I wanted to express that. So anyways, today I'm bringing to you a try-on haul because I was able to pick a few items from Naked to share with you, and I also have a hair tutorial on this hairstyle. I show you how I install my headband wig, and I also have for you my updated makeup routine on how I have been doing my makeup. You can amp it up with some lashes and make it like extra, you know, extra depending on where you're going, but it works perfectly fine for every day as well. So all of that I have for you. You can adjust it here and there wherever you want. Of course, we also have a code for you. I have a discount code for you. It will be here on the screen and also on the top of the description box for 20% off your Naked order. So make sure to check that out if you like anything in this video from Naked. Oh, I forgot to mention that the code will be valid for 1 week. So you can use this code until the 25th of December. Very important. Whatever it is that you want, make sure to get it before that time because the code will only be valid until the 25th of December. And yeah, thank you once again to Naked for partnering with me. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And we're gonna go ahead and get started with the haul. The makeup and the hair will be at the end of the video. So yeah, let's go. All right, amiga, the first dress is this green little number. I am absolutely obsessed with it. Lately, I've been into like a green kick. I've been loving everything that is green. I don't know what is going on or where this came from, but I've been absolutely loving it. And when I saw this dress, I was like, oh my God, yes, it is super flattering because it has like this ruching on the side, which really helps to camouflage the belly a little bit because I do have a little belly, but I am obsessed. I paired it with these sandals, these green sandals, but you can also do like some glitter pumps, a clear pump, whatever you like or what fits you the best. But I thought this was an absolute look. All right, amiga, we have another green little number. As I told you, I am obsessed. Not everything in this video is gonna be green, but this, like, come on, get into it. This is cute. I paired it with this because I think like for New Year's Eve or Christmas, I would be wearing these type of sandals, but this would also be nice with some tights and then like some platform boots, and you are ready to go outside with this. But for inside, I would pair it with something like this. Boots could also work, but I feel like this is really festive and cute and really my style and feminine. But I'm obsessed with this one as well. It's really warm, a very soft material, and just perfect. Also very suitable for after New Year's Eve and Christmas because literally you can wear this anywhere. This is adorable. So perfect for Christmas, New Year's Eve, and after. And I just thought this was very timeless. And I like timeless pieces. Even though it's green, I feel like this will be in for so long. So I love that a lot. Are you ready to be obsessed? Because I am. Oh Lord, look at this, look at this. The camera does this color no justice. It is a bright fuchsia pink. And I thought this would be like a non-really traditional holiday outfit. It is a very nice party outfit, a perfect outfit for when you want to go party after with the New Year's Eve. If you're going to a party, I think this is super festive. The color, first of all, like the color, you will start the year with a bang in this dress, because this, honey, this is it. This is so beautiful. The color is so fun, a bubble gum, like, I don't know, you will catch so much attention with this. And what I like about it is also, again, this part, it's super flattering. You can make the dress longer or shorter, but it also is very forgiving on the belly again, which I really like. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with everything that I got. That's why I got them, and because it's also, of course, my style. But come on. Come on, this is so cute. I paired it with these glittery sandals because I feel like these are just nice with a dress like this. It's classy, but at the same time super fun, super girly and flirty. So that is it for this dress. I think that honestly, this is gonna be my New Year's Eve dress. I'm not really planning on going anywhere, but I just want to start the year off in something super colorful and fun, and I want that to be my statement for the new year. Come on, come on, stop blaming me. This is cute. This is it. Yeah, this is where it's at. Next up, amiga, we got this brown dress. It is the same one as the pink one, but obviously in brown. I paired it with the same heels that I did before, the glittery ones, just because for Christmas and also New Year's Eve, I think this would be a very good pick. Of course, this is very timeless. You can wear this anytime, even after the holidays, because this brown color is just very flattering, very pretty, and also just a timeless piece. And you can never go wrong with a color like this for Christmas or New Year's Eve. What is not to love about this dress? Like, honestly, come on. What is not to love about this one? It's not as loud as the pink one, but still super cute. You will be noticed in this dress. I don't think you're ready for this one, amiga, honestly, because I'm not even ready for this one. Like, come on, get into it. Did you see this? Do you see this high up slit? It is so beautiful. Like, what? It is so sexy, but also so chic at the same time. So yeah, let's talk about this. It is a variation on your little black dress, I would say. I think this is so different, so cool. I feel like $1,000,000. I feel like that be in this dress, like, absolutely yes. This is so nice, and it's just a very comfy and warm material. But the slit, girl, that is the ultimate va 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 voom, if you ask me. It is, again, very forgiving on the belly. You see, I like it a lot. A little bit more edgy with the platform boots, but even this I feel like is so cute to wear it like this. I feel like it's kind of a baddie look, like this with the platform boots. But yeah, obsessed with this dress. Super nice, timeless. This will be in 3 years. In 3 years, you will still be like, oh my god, this dress. This will never go out of style. A slit like this and just a black dress. No, girl, that is timeless. Okay, last but not least, I wanted to share also a pant option for the girls that like to wear pants better than skirts. So yeah, this whole outfit is also from Naked. This pant is so beautiful, so flattering. Like, look at these pants. And what I like is that they have like a slit hem on the side, which is really cute. I paired it with these heels just for this outfit because I thought that looked the best. But the platform boots would also work with this. And this top, like, does anything scream Christmas more than this top? I love this little bow effect. It's like, unwrap me, I'm a present. And the velvet, look at that. That's everything. Come on. Yeah, so this is so classy, so beautiful. It would be nice for Christmas, for New Year's Eve, even after. If you have a dinner, a network event at work or something. Like, I don't know, this is just nice for drinks, for anything. And I just look so slim in this. I have no words. No words. Naked, you have done it. You did this, okay? You did this. Anyways, amiga, this is it for the outfit part of this video. If you're interested in seeing how I did my makeup and my hair, my makeup is just my everyday makeup and my hair is just a protective hairstyle that I've been loving lately, then stay tuned because that will be included in a little bit, so you can check that out, and I will be back with you at the end to say goodbye to you, okay? Okay, amiga, welcome to the beauty guides part of this video. I'm gonna share with you my recent hair that I've been doing a lot, and also my recent makeup routine with all the things that are interesting that have changed. So I like an updated makeup routine that you can amp up with some lashes for extra glam, or you can just wear it on the everyday without lashes. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off with hair. For my hair, I like to do a wig recently. I'm gonna take down my hair. It is right now very curly and natural, and since for this part I'm gonna use a half wig or a wig, I want to make sure that I moisturize my own hair very well underneath my wig. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and for that I'm gonna be using my Curl and Style Milk. But yes, I'm just gonna start off by moisturizing my hair with this, and also make sure to moisturize your ends very well. Then next I take my smoothing brush and I just brush my hair back. And then what I like to do is make 2 twists in my bun. You will see why I do that later. Then next up, I'm gonna take my hair wax. I like this one and also some of the red one hair wax, but I'm gonna start off with this one first. And what I like to do is just take some of that on my finger, and then I go into my edges, back, and then I take one of these brushes again, and then I just brush my hair back. Make sure it's slick. Same on this side. Then next up, I take like one of these wig caps. It's just like a nude colored one. And I just put that over my head. Not completely though. Just like that. And what I do, I take these twists on the side and I push them up so that they lay flat against my head. So like that. Then next up, it's time to apply my wig. And what I like to do is just put this over my head and make sure that I clip and tie it. So I'm gonna just put it over, tuck the hair in. And then on the side, my wig has these little clips that I can tie together. And then I tie it together. So now what I wanna do is like try to lay the wig as if my hairline continues to go in the wig. So where my part is, I like to put the wig right behind it. And then next up, I just make sure to brush out all the tangles that I have in the hair. Make sure the hair is tangle free. So depending on what texture your hair is from your wig, it depends if you have to do this step or not. But since my hair is a straight texture and it's heat resistant, I'm gonna straighten the hair just to make sure that the bottom isn't crunchy and that it looks good. And then I take my straightener and I just go over it. Make sure the hair gets smooth again. Check out on your wig what the instructions say if you can. Flat iron your hair. If you can't, obviously don't do it, because I wouldn't want your hair to melt and for it to be a complete disaster. But yeah, my hair is totally heat resistant. Most wigs are these days. Check out what it says on the directions for your wig. Anyways, then I'm just gonna continue this process until I have all my hair done. And now you may be wondering, like, what girl, what are you gonna do to that girl? Because I can see that your hair, that's not your hair. You're right. But for that, we have headbands. You can also get a headband wig. Those are also very, very easy to use, easier than this maybe. But in my opinion, it's kind of equal. But anyways, I have a huge variety to choose from. But yeah, I'm gonna do this one for now. And I just place it like right on top where the wig starts and my own hair ends, if that makes sense. Then this part is optional, but I also like to do some edge art. Nothing too crazy, but for that I like to use the red one because it's just a little bit more, it has a little bit more hold to it. And I just do like these on the front here and on this side as well. Just like that. That's it for my edge art. And this is the hair. Really pretty and easy. And meanwhile, my own hair is under this, relaxing and just thriving. So I love this. It gives me this look and I don't have to damage my hair, which is also very important to me. Some other looks that I like to do are my bun and also my ponytail looks. But you have seen me do these so many times, so we're not gonna get too much into that today. And yeah, I think it's time to move on to makeup. Okay, Mia, next up is my makeup routine. I'm gonna be sharing with you the things that are interesting and new to my routine because my routine didn't really change that much over the years. I'm gonna start off with a primer because you wanna make sure that your makeup lasts all day, especially if you're going to a party or something. You want to make sure that the makeup lasts, you know. And for my foundation, I've been loving this one a lot, and I just apply it all over my face and I just try to blend it as much as possible. That is it for my foundation. Next up, I like a concealer. I just like to conceal under my eyes and just here to lift it a little bit. And I like to put a little bit here as well, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. And I just go in with my sponge and just blend it out as well. The next up is some cream blush. This is not a cream blush, it's just a lipstick, a cream lipstick, but it is in this shade from NYX. And what I like to do is I just stipple it on top of my cheek like this. Then I go in with my sponge and I just blend this into my skin as well, just like that. This is just because I haven't really found a cheek tint that really works for my skin tone yet. And next up, I like to go in with my setting powder and I just set everything with this. So under my eye, on my forehead, my chin. Just dip my brush into there as well and then go over it. Try to set everything in place. Just like that the cream blush makes it looks a little bit more natural, if you get what I mean, because this is still a lot of makeup for some people. Okay, Mia, next up is brows. I spoke about this before, but for brows I like to use this, my red one hair wax, and I just take a little bit of that on my spoolie side of my brush and just brush up my hairs. If you want to try the bushy look, I recommend trying it with the red one. All of them work though. I just use whatever one I have on hand. And I have my brows brushed up. I like to just go in with my finger, just like this, and then go over it and smooth it even out more. It took me a very long time to figure out what works for my brow hairs, but I think I have it down. I have a routine now that really works for me. So what I like to do, I just take my pencil and I just go over it and line my brows in the way I like. I just try to follow my natural line as much as possible, or the line that I've plucked for myself. And then next up, I just take my ring finger and I just go into the brow and try to blur the line a little bit. And next up, I like to take a brow powder. I have this little set from LA Colors, I believe. And I take like the darkest color and I just dip my spoolie in there a little bit. Nothing too crazy, but it has quite a lot on it, as you can see. And then I go into my brows a little bit. I just make the hairs a little darker here and there. But I try not to go crazy with this either. Just lightly brush over the hairs. Try to coat them a little bit with some of the brow products. Any mistakes that I made, I like to just clean up with some concealer. And just clean up the brow a little bit. And then I just blend it out with a little brush, just like this. The next up is eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I've been keeping it really simple, because I remember the times that we used to have like so many eyeshadow palettes. Everyone would recommend one, and before you know it, you would have like a big collection that you don't even need. But lately I've been just loving this one, the Naked Heat palette. And it has like all the colors that I love, like neutrals and stuff that I love for a day-to-day eyeshadow. So what I like to do, I take like some of the color Low Glow and I just go into my crease. I use the same brush for everything. When it comes to my eyeshadow, it's nothing too crazy either. But I take that color and I just blend it up towards the tail of my brow. And then next up, I like to take the color, any color I like actually, but today I'm feeling a lighter color, so I'm gonna go in with Sauce and I'm gonna place that over the rest of my eye and just fill in the gaps a little bit. And then I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and for my eyeliner I like to do it or with a brown liner or with like the darkest color in this palette. And for me it is the color Ashes. I feel like it's kind of the darkest, so I sometimes also use In Fuego, but today I'm gonna go with Ashes, I think. And I take like this flat brush. It is actually a paint brush, but I like to use it for my eyeliner. And what I do is I start by making a little line from the corner of the corner of my eye, and I just take it up. And then I take a little bit more of the product and I just start halfway and go into my eye. Then I take my mascaras from the moment. I like this one and this one. This is the Maybelline Sky High and this is the Monsieur Bic by Lancôme. This one is a little bit pricier, but any mascara that works for you, I would recommend, because lashes show up if you have them in the first place. But I like this one. So I just go in and I wiggle some of the mascara onto my lashes. And also I coat some on the bottom lashes as well. You can also apply fake lashes, but I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been really into those anymore. I don't know why, but I feel like, you know, I'm beautiful without it too, so I don't really need it anymore. And yeah, this is a lot of makeup anyway, so it's natural looking, but it's still a lot for certain people, and I feel like I don't need it all the time. So was a time that I was just obsessed with lashes and just addicted. I would wear them every single day. And right now I just don't feel like I need to do that anymore. I don't know, less is more. I learned a lot from quarantine that we don't need to do all of that all the time. The next up, I'm gonna be finishing off the rest of my face. I'm gonna do some contour. For that, I just like this LA Pro face powder. It is in the shade Chestnut. And I just like that for bronzing my face slash contouring. And I take like an angled brush like this. This is actually a blush brush, but I like to use it for contouring. Because there are no rules, you know, do what works for you. And also contour down here. Contour the heck out of my chin. So I need a jawline. With a smaller brush, I like to go into my nose as well. And just contour the sides a little bit. And the last and final step for face is some blush and highlighter. Like this duo, it is so ugly right now, but it's this duo from NYX, and it is their Machinist collection. And I just dip into both and just apply it all over my cheek, and it gives like a very glowy look finish. I like that a lot. And I also like to apply some of that on my chin, on my forehead, you know, on my nose, Cupid's bow. Yes. So then for lips, my everyday combo is a nude and a lip liner. But this look can match up with anything. You can do like a bold lippy, a red. You can do a nude. You can do like literally anything you want, because this matches like everything. But I'm gonna go with my everyday look. I just feel like that's gonna be better for all the outfits. It's gonna match everything, so I'm gonna do that. And I will change it up if I have to. This is in the color brown. In the color brown. And I just line my lips with this. And then I go in with a nude lipstick, and I just fill it in the middle. This is a glossy finish, by the way, so it's very nourishing for the lips. There I have like some of my natural beauty spots. I just draw them back in with my liner, and that is just it. That is it for my makeup routine. For today's makeup and the hair and all the outfits and all of that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like it. If you happen to order anything from Naked, make sure you use my code. It will be here on the screen and also in the description box down below on the top. Use it for 20% off your order. Just remember that this code is valid for a whole week, so it will expire on the 25th, since I'm posting this on the 13th of December, so it will be valid until the 25th. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you want more fashion and beauty content, let me also know in the comments down below. And I hope to see you soon in my next Vlogmas video, which will be on Wednesday. Love you and bye.